I'm Christina here at Fit and Bendy Studios, and I created the Fit and Bendy Flexibility Video Club to compile all of my years of experience as a flexibility coach into one place. And I wanted to make something that was easy to access from anywhere in the world. You could do at home and came at a very affordable price point, so anyone could check out what Fit and Bendy is doing. Video Club is a choose your own Bendy adventure compilation of workouts and tips and tutorials. And everything is categorized based on the focus of the workout. So we've got splits, shoulders, hips, spine, and full body stretches. And within that, the workouts are either mild, medium, or spicy, depending on the level of challenge that you're looking for. We have different lengths of workouts, so you can really choose what it is that you need in a particular day. It works great for people who are self-motivated, really excited about stretching from home, and just want to have a sense of community, maybe learn some new things, and who doesn't want to have someone to coach them every now and again. I also upload new workouts and tutorials pretty regularly, and if you are a member, you get to request things that you would like to see from me. There's a community board where you can come and ask questions and connect with other vendors. In a time where so much of our learning has gone online, I really wanted to make a place where we can connect with each other and we can still have community, but also take advantage of the ability to train from anywhere, anytime we want. Happy bendings, everybody.